You've heard the line 1,000 times. Most immigrants in America are here illegally. It seems like a simple claim to check, right? But the actual answer gets buried under an avalanche of headlines. You hear talk of a surge at the border, or even an invasion. The narrative is chaos, but the reality tells a different story. So let's do the math. There are about 47 million foreign-born people in the United States. Of those, the data shows that around 11.6 million are undocumented, which means the overwhelming majority, about 75%, 3 out of every 4, are here legally. They are naturalized citizens, permanent residents, or on valid visas, following the rules of a vast and complex system. If 3/4 of all immigrants in the U.S. are legal, why does the conversation always seem to be about the 1/4 who aren't? The answer lies in something called the spotlight effect. Our attention is drawn to the most dramatic images, and nothing is more dramatic than scenes from the border. But as Julia Galat from the Migration Policy Institute points out, this often conflates asylum seekers, people trying to follow a legal process, with those avoiding it. The legal system is huge. As economist Alex Nowrasteh notes, America allows greater numbers of immigrants than any other country, but the quiet, everyday process of legal immigration doesn't make for exciting television. The spotlight stays on the border, distorting the bigger picture. This distortion isn't just about numbers. It creates a harmful stereotype, the idea that undocumented automatically means dangerous or a drain. But what does the data say about that? Let's look at the facts. The Brennan Center for Justice analyzed the data and found that undocumented immigrants are 47% less likely to be convicted of crimes than native-born Americans. As commentator Jason Riley puts it, newcomers to the U.S. are less likely to be incarcerated. But here is the final, hidden truth that reframes the entire invasion narrative. The feeling is that the situation is out of control and getting worse. But official data shows apprehensions recently dropped 93% from the previous year, reaching historic lows in May and June 2025. So while the political debate has gotten louder, the numbers have not surged. This reality is what attorney Chris M. Ingram captures when he says, "The majority of immigrants follow legal paths to build better lives, enriching America's fabric and proving that our system works when we focus on facts over fiction." The evidence points to one conclusion: the narrative of an illegal majority is a myth, built by focusing on a fraction of the story. If you're ready to follow one of the many legal pathways to build a life in America, your journey can be a part of this success story. Visit breakthroughusa.com for a free consultation. In this video series, attorney Chris M. Ingram and his team are debunking false narratives to raise awareness about the positive impact immigrants have always had on making America great. We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below. So stay tuned for our next video where we take on another immigration myth.